How to use the Bears Power trading strategy. Today, we'll show you how to use the Bears Power strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This strategy is based on the Bears Power indicator developed by Alexander Elder. The indicator helps traders gauge the strength of the bears, that is sellers, in the market by measuring the difference between the minimum price and the exponential moving average, EMA. If the indicator value is positive, it indicates that the bears are dominant. If it's negative, the bulls are dominant. How to set up the Bears Power indicator for quick trades. Set the EMA period to 13. This is the optimal setting for short-term trades. Open an up trade when the Bears Power indicator crosses the zero line from below, confirming increasing bear strength. Open a down trade when the indicator crosses the zero line from above, indicating weakening bear strength. For greater accuracy, use Bears Power in combination with other indicators such as RSI or moving average. You can learn how the RSI or moving average indicators work in these videos. Try now. Follow the link in the description.